Welcome to part 3 of the Fab Guild CNC Plasma Table instructions with the Bailey Industrial 24 by 24 inch table. Today we're going to discuss cutting our part. We're going to start by selecting a file using the Run button and then clicking on OK. We will then scroll down by page until we get close to the file that we want. We'll then use the arrow keys to select the file. In this case, we're doing flag 3. You can see our parameters are set. Everything has been properly prepped. All we need to do now is push OK. From this point, the machine does most of the work. We just need to be observant and careful and make sure that everything works as it should. See here the Run Pause button. I'm very careful to keep my thumb close to that. Should something occur that I wasn't expecting, should a part fall in a weird orientation that could cause a problem, all I got to do is push this pause button, remove the obstruction, and then hit the resume button and I'm ready to go. This is not a piece of equipment that you want to walk away from. Stay close, keep your eye protection on, and be ready for anything. Now, on some occasions, when you're running a cut like this very long piece, because underneath this particular part of our cut, there's nothing to support the piece. So if there are no tabs that are going to hold it in place, once the cut has been finished, there's a likelihood that it could land in an orientation or fall into the water in a place where the plasma gun will run into it and possibly damage the piece or damage the piece of equipment. And so in this case, it's important to stay close, keep your thumb close to that pause button, because in a scenario like this that occurs, that piece right there sticking up would have surely damaged the gun or caused it to be out of orientation. So I'm simply going to reach around and set my teach pendant down. I have a magnet ready. A pair of vice grips would work as well. I'm going to remove the piece. It is hot, so I'm not going to touch it with my bare hands. Pick up my teach pendant, make sure the obstruction is gone, and continue the run. You can see here, had I not removed that obstruction, the plasma gun would have crashed into it, and that would have caused many problems. I would have had to restart this build. Now that we are complete with our cut, we can send the gun back to the home position by hitting the OK origin button. It's going to ask you where you want it to go back to origin. Hit OK again, and the gun shall return to its starting position at home. Once the plasma gun has returned to the home position and is safely out of the way, we can then proceed to remove our finished product from the plasma table. Well, I hope you've enjoyed part 3 of CNC Plasma Table training on the Fab Guild.